My birds are living the dream. They got a bird bath. Yeah. And they also have their feed. Mm-hmm. Birdies. Yeah, man. But never have to feed them too fast, you know, because you don't. Easy for feed, you know. I got 2 kids. So no name with caution, okay? I have to go Mount Kiss to go get bird feed from the bird store. I can't believe so I drive to go buy bird feed. Never know this day would I come. It's cheaper for drive to go to the bird store. Because you get the 50-pound bag. Then buy it from Amazon, the 2-pound bag. Yeah. Look at my birdies. Birdie, birdie, birdie. I'm not showing one pretty bird. My woodpecker not out yet. The cardinal not out yet. And there's another bird that I don't know the name of yet. It's yellow and black. There's also another blue one that I gotta look up to find the name of it. But yeah, them living large. And my grass is grassing. Look at my lawn. Yeah, man. My grass are going with itself. Yeah, Daddy Jesus. The grass are gone. Yeah.